Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make Wix page shorter. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your site editor and now scroll down to the bottom, and here is my footer, and after the footer this is my website page area. So I'm going to making smaller my page. So for that, click on the footer. Make sure you have to click on the footer to select the footer, and after if you click on your page, then here you can see the page adjustment handle not showing up here. So you have to select the footer, and then here you will get this option, adjust page height. Now you have to drag it, and here you can see my page height decreasing now. And this is how we can make our Wix page shorter and bigger. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.